welcome to the second volcano hike trip. We're going to Ijen, I think it's called. Only slept 1 hour. It's 1 in the morning right now. We just arrived here at 11:30. Really nice hotel actually, but unfortunately we barely have any time to check it out. We're gonna have breakfast when we get back and then check out and then go straight to Bali. But now we're gonna have a 1 hour car drive first and then get to the hike and see some cool lights. But let's see, let's go there first. Okay, so we arrived at the starting spot here after 1 hour driving. Definitely pretty dark and cold actually. It feels like Swedish winter all of a sudden, a bit humid. Maybe we sit down and have some coffee before and then let's start going on the last hike of this trip. Ooh, getting some hot coffee here. Thank you. Fantastic. Get some black coffee with energy. There's a lot of fumes up the mountains. I've actually got a bit of a gas mask situation going on. It's gonna be quite interesting. Let's try it on and check it out. Okay, so it's 2:30 in the morning. We're gonna be back here around 7. Let's start the hike. Interesting, if you're lazy, you can get carried up on this instead. So we are walking. Yeah, we're definitely not going what's going on. Sure. Definitely very dusty. Maybe time to put on the mask soon. Here's one slightly different way to enjoy the vacation. Checking the phone while you're being carried up as preferred to the walking. Definitely quite interesting experience. People walking up here. We got to the more flat area now. So even walking in a coffee shop here. Gonna stop and rest a bit to continue walking. Quite interesting adventure, that's for sure. Nice, I think we actually reached 2,400 meters, the highest yet. Climbing up. Now it's just gonna be more of a plain walk in the park. Go there, check the sunrise and then walk down. The toughest part of this trip is over. Now it's just pure enjoyment. I think we've gotten to the top here. It's still very dark, but you can see the crater down here in the background and the lake. Really cool. Now we're just gonna wait for the sunrise. Okay, it's time to put on the mask. It's a crazy line in the background to go down and see these blue spires. I think we're gonna skip that, watch the sunrise instead. Still very dark, but I think we're approaching the top here and the sun is starting to come up in the background. Really nice. Gonna stop here and watch the sunrise. A bit of a cozy fire going on. It's a bit chilly. Definitely a bit of adventure here. Amazing with the sunrise in the background. Yeah, it seems like we made it to the top here. You see the blue lake here on top of the volcano. Insane. Then you turn around here. You have the sunrise. That is pretty crazy. I'm gonna watch here for the sun to come up. Hopefully get a bit warmer by the drone, just taking this spectacular environment for a while. Definitely worth the climb up. Yeah, now the sun has come up and you can see the blue color of the lake. Yeah, really crazy. Still really beautiful sunset in the background. Gonna continue walking a little bit, enjoy this amazing morning. Yeah, now the sun has come up and you can see this crazy beautiful blue lake in the background. And you turn around and you have the sunrise here. Totally incredible. Definitely worthwhile walking up here. Gonna relax a little bit more, enjoy this, then walk down and have some nice food to get the energy back. Definitely crazy nice morning, but it's time to wrap up this hike here. Go back now and meet up the others at the bottom. Get in some more steps. Definitely warmer when the sun is coming out here. Walking past down here. Really beautiful background, all this greenery. You have all the cool backgrounds all the way down. Very nice start to the day, that's for sure. The next step after this, breakfast in Bali. Maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour to walk down. Now we're getting closer down to the base camp here. We have this cafe in the background. Nice, very active start to the morning with a lot of good steps. Oh yes, we're finally back to the base camp. We're getting 18,500 steps here. Get up at 1, started hiking here around 2:30. Now in 7:30, so I think time to go back to the hotel, get some rest, and then get ready for the next chapter in Bali. Ooh, we're back on the hotel and we have a goose here. Ooh, hello. Angry. Fantastic. Let's get some great energy and take off this hat. It's way too warm for that. Now starts the warm part of the trip. Nice. We got some fresh juice here. Amazing. This hotel is actually super beautiful. A lot of nice background. We have some nice fresh fruit here. Fantastic. We're getting some food here. Nice. Definitely some incredible breakfast here with some fried It's gonna be amazing. Get some good energy after that morning hike. Wow, someone's getting pancakes. Nice. They ordered some toast with sausage. That's fantastic. Next up, the totally amazing breakfast. Better than expected, actually. We've been driving on for a while, passing by a very beautiful landscape, but now we're taking the ferry over to Bali. It's gonna be 1 hour. No need for sunglasses, I have my own. Yeah, but it's gonna be amazing. Warmer weather already. Now it's a bit more of a relaxed vibe and not getting up too every morning. So just gonna board the ferry here and enjoy the ride. So see you in Bali. Always amazing to be on these ferries and get the wind in your hair crossing over the Bali Straits here. So again, it's gonna be pretty fantastic weekend, that's for sure. Fantastic, so we got off the ferry and we're waiting for the car in the background. Let's go to the place and rest a little bit, maybe eat something on the way. Amazing to be here in Bali. Now we're on the way to accommodation, stopped here in this tropical environment. You can have some nice healthy snack here. A big dragon fruit. Don't have a knife, but you can eat it, so I'm just gonna have a bite here. Next to the street, that is in purple color. Messy, but very tasty. Yes, after a slightly longer car drive, once again, it's supposed to be 3 to 5 hours, but it actually took 7. We're not even at the hotel yet. We decided to stop here at Ferry. It looks really nice. So let's go inside and enjoy some fantastic food before we continue the last sprint. I'm sure we're gonna find some amazing food here. Let's go inside and check it out. Cheers! Nice, we're getting the food here. Viewers. That is amazing. A lot of cool stuff coming in. That's some freshly grilled satay right there. Amazing. Here we have some amazing more stuff coming in. Nice. More skewers. I can't eat them, so enjoy. I'm allergic. Nice. We have all the vegetables here. Some fantastic chicken here. Interesting. Looks like someone picked the best order. That's crazy. Nice. We're having the fish coming in. Amazing. Wow. We have this here, I think, some grilled fish. This looks amazing. A lot of amazing food here. Nice. Rather squid. Ooh, it seems like some people are getting dessert. What is that? Banana something?
Banana roll.
Yeah, that was totally incredible meal, as you clearly could see once again. As almost every meal on this trip, I think it was the second best so far. Some people thought it was the best, but lunch yesterday was amazing too. A lot of great fish and seafood and grilled goodies. So now I'm gonna continue and hopefully find where we actually stay, check that out, and then go bed. We got up at 2 a.m. this morning, or 1 actually, started hiking 2:30, so let's move on. Fantastic. So after a bit of a drive, we arrived at this amazing villa here. It's been a very long day. Got up at 1 in the morning and now finally arrived here at Bali. It's been great food, a lot of adventure, and now we're gonna relax a little bit here. So if you wanna see more on what's up next, the coming days exploring Bali, give me a like, subscribe, follow, and I will see you in the next video. Yeah, a bit of a bonus clip here. Totally incredible villas here. We're gonna stay a week almost, sharing here 8-9 people. So of course you can get the cost a little bit down. Totally crazy. Motivation to work harder for sure. We have the pool and the common space and all these amazing different rooms, sharing open spaces together. Definitely gonna be a very nice week. So yeah, I'm gonna take this in, enjoy a little bit, and then see you tomorrow.